welcome back to our channel. Before we get started,
make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and give
us a big thumbs up.
And hit the bell.
Welcome to Rio and Rider's world.
So today we will be doing beer pong, but without beer, because we're kids, of course.
So we're calling R Pong for Rio and Rider Pong.
So basically, we're gonna roll this dice once we get in our cup.
You have to win the round though, right?
Yes.
How many balls?
We have 6 balls.
6 balls, and whoever gets the most points wins that round. We're playing 5 rounds.
And whoever wins will be able to roll the dice.
Okay. And then so we're doing rolling the dice. We're doing 5 rounds. If two balls go into one tin, it still only counts as 1 point.
With all 6 balls going to one.
Okay. And these are the choices that we have.
Okay.
Lime juice. So 1 lime juice, 2 lemon juice, 3 pickle juice, 4
cranberry juice,
5
pomegranate juice,
and 6 root beer.
So what's your favorite thing on that list?
root beer,
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice is gonna be your favorite?
No wait, pickle juice.
Okay, pickle juice. And what's the least favorite, the one you don't want to get?
Pomegranate
Pickle
juice.
juice.
Oh, so we both have favorite and not favorites. That's perfect. Okay,
Not
so
perfect.
You don't like root beer?
all right, roll the dice and see who goes first.
You want to go
And
first?
then you'll alternate each round. We're playing 5 rounds.
Hey, no.
3. You got pickle juice.
No, 3.
3.
3.
Wait, do it again. It's a tie.
What?
Can I choose who goes first?
Yeah, that's okay.
Real, you can go first.
Okay.
I want to see what I can beat here.
Okay, so you get 6 balls, right?
Yep.
Alright, and
No, I'm so bad with these cups.
round 1.
What? How did that not go in? Oh my god!
That's 3 balls down.
Oh my god, I'm so bad! My last ball, and I'm
Just get 1 in. Get 1 in.
Oh my god, I got 0! I'm so
Switch.
bad!
If
Really
Rider
go.
doesn't get anything in, then
You might get the same as me!
Hopefully not. Oh, one more thing. You cannot put your hand behind this blue line.
okay.
You mean forward?
Behind, yeah.
We're doing so bad.
Good.
First round, nobody's winning. No! Last ball.
Oh, it's 0-0 first round. Okay, sudden death.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, so we each get 3.
You all get 1 ball each. Whoever makes it in first. Okay, so Rio, you go first. 1 try. No, now if Ryder makes it, he wins. No, okay, Rio, do it again.
Butter! You messed everything up!
Real, go. Yeah, go. I got it.
There's one over here.
1
Hey,
ball.
come back here.
Okay, now, Ryder, you get it in, you win. Second
No,
ball.
no.
That's it. Okay, so put 1 notch. 1 notch.
Oh.
Okay, now we'll remember. Round 1 goes to Ryder. Okay, round 2.
Wait, what about the rolling?
We'll do it all at once. Okay, round 2.
Oh, where's the marker?
I got it, don't worry. Okay, so round 2. Ryder, you go first.
Wait, I need the cup. Thingy, Michigan.
Is it gonna be sudden death again?
I don't know, we'll see.
Nope.
Is that 1? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, he's got his groove back on. That's it, he's got 1. Okay, switch sides.
Alright.
If you get 1 to tie,
I
or
only
7
got
to
4.
end.
5.
Check again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, I made 2.
You made 2. Okay, there you go.
That's 2.
That's 2. Alright, good
Let
luck.
me see 1 cup.
Can't even see it.
I'm that good. Nope. Oh, shoot. No.
Did he make 1 in?
No.
Okay.
It bounced off the cup.
If I get both of this, it's sudden death, but I'm probably not. I'm not even gonna make one.
One.
No!
Okay, Rio, that's 2 down. Okay, Rio, let's start the next round. You're down 2 games.
Do Rio
It's
start first?
so
Rio starts
bad.
it.
Yeah, you start first. Nope. Nope. Nope.
I have two
Nope.
more balls.
2 more balls. Just get 1 in. Oh, no.
Nope. Last ball. Wah. Nope.
Okay, Ryder, your turn. All you have to do is hit 1 in.
Rio's bit.
I'm doomed.
Yeah.
That's it. Game over. Okay.
No, I
next.
want to keep going. I want to keep going.
No. No, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Game 4.
3.
Who starts your game 4? Start.
So I got 3
I'm
points.
losing by
I got 3
4.
points.
1, 2, 3.
3.
Okay. Game 4. That's it.
I'm not even ready.
No.
I'm not ready.
Oh, let me start.
No. Let's
No,
go.
I
Let's
just
go.
need.
Let's go. Let's go.
No, right in.
That's not a point though, right? No. Okay. That's 1. Ooh, he's got his groove.
Dang it. I got 1 in.
Okay, 1. Get 2 in. Come on, let's do it.
You got 2.
Oh, I got 2 in.
How do I get 2 in?
Wait, that was from last round. From.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. So
Well,
1.
no, I got 1 more turn.
Well, if you didn't recognize it, sorry. No, go back. You lost your turn. That's how it worked. You should know you should have had 6 points. Oh, almost.
I just need to get 1.
Just a tie.
Wow!
No.
Last ball.
Hurry, right here.
Oh my god! He's gonna win all
Oh,
of them.
that's horrible. Okay, next.
That's 4 down. Well, last round.
Last round. Go.
I am
Oh,
going
wait,
to
aren't you
lose.
starting first? You're starting first, Rio.
Oh, yeah, you're fine first.
Well done. Come on. What happened? Let's go.
I used to be really good.
I'm right near you. And,
Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Now we got a game. Just like that. Just toss nice, just like that. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's got his groove. Okay, that's
I got
3.
3.
So
decide for
you
3 points.
need 3 to tie.
Woo.
Like,
3 to tie or
1, 2,
or 4 to win.
4 to win. Well, now you're counting your balls.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you don't make this, you automatically lose.
Oh,
Okay. That's it. It's the best
I
part
won
now.
1. Yeah.
so it's 4 to 1.
Now, so for 4 to 1, let's see the results. Okay, so you get to roll.
4
Do
times?
you want you to roll for what he drinks, or do you want him to roll for what he drinks?
You can roll, you know.
You want to do that?
You can totally roll.
So if I roll, that's what he drinks.
Or you can do it, he can roll for what he drinks. How do you want to do it?
That's just hard, because I feel like he's going to get pickle juice, and I won't want pickle juice.
Well, he's got 4 he has to roll. You lost 4 times.
Oh, he
How
has
do
to
we
roll 4?
Yeah, how should we do this?
Oh yeah, I want to roll 4.
Now we
Okay.
get to roll once.
Yeah.
Alright,
Okay,
now
so here's...
let's, Rio can
Here's-
roll for himself, I'll roll for myself.
Love it.
Rio, you
So
can
those
go
are the
for
results
yourself.
Right there. Okay. And so Rio, roll your first one, and Ryder, just read it off. Let's see it.
6. Root beer!
Oh!
Okay, one more. So root beer. Remember what we gotta do? Root
You
beer.
mean 3 more?
3 more. Yeah. Remember root beer?
Root beer!
Root beer again. My God, someone's lucky.
I'm going to unlucky to lucky to lucky.
So he just gets 1 cup of root beer.
No, I get 1 full cup of root beer.
Well, I get 2 ounces of root beer. We're doing 2 ounces of each one. Make it fair for you.
2.
Lemon.
Root beer, lemon. One more. Roll one more.
Root beer, root
Come on,
beer,
get something really bad. Get something really bad.
5. Pomegranate!
Yes. Okay.
Pomegranate!
You get 1 try.
Yes.
All right. Let's see how lucky you are.
Please
Get
don't
pickle
get-
juice. Get pickle juice.
Don't get
pickle juice.
pickle juice.
Get pickles.
Come on. lime. I like
Okay.
lime. I like lime. So.
All right, so we're gonna do this. You got 2 root beers.
Feeling good.
You got lemon juice and you got pomegranate. You got
Lime.
juice. Okay, let's do this. All right. So I'm gonna prepare this for you. You wanna let's do this right here. And push it down. Sorry. They can see you. Okay. I got it already.
Why did I have to get pomegranate juice?
Excuse me.
Why?
So we'll do this. It's a 2-ounce pour. We got your cups.
Ooh.
Get your cups ready. So the first one you got was root beer. It's a good start. It's kind of just.
And then the second one I got root beer.
Oh, I know.
So 2 is for root beer.
A&W root beer. They can try and sponsor us if they can. Yeah.
Yeah.
A&W root beer.
What does that mean?
It's the brand. Okay, 1. We'll go 2, just because you. This is both the root beers in one cup. There you go. Drink it all.
Watch me drink.
Drink it all. There we go.
Root beer for life.
No, you're not allowed to drink it.
Yeah, yes. Okay, let's go. Come on, hurry up. Drink it all. That's the challenge. Chug, 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 chug. That's the whole thing about this game. Chug.
Are we trying to chug it? Oh, he chugged it. Let's see if I can chug the lime juice.
All right, next one.
You're gonna get an ounce of it.
Now, how this? We don't get those points until you jug it.
Either way.
Oh, excuse me.
I'll do something.
Pomegranate juice.
So you get 1 ounce of that.
It's actually 2 ounces, but.
2 ounces?
Mm-hmm.
I guess you get 2 ounces. Okay.
Oh, no!
Good thing I got limes. See if you can
Alright.
jug
It
it.
smells so
You
bad.
have to jug it. Yeah, that's the whole point of the game.
Let's
Jug
do it.
it.
What if I don't?
Then you lose.
You got it. That's part of the game. Let's
Lose
go.
a point or lose
Oh,
the
no, you lose. Let's go. Let's go.
You gotta chug it, bro. You gotta chug it.
Chug it. Chug it.
I can't.
Try.
I can't. It's too bad.
Come on, do it.
I can't.
You got so much more of that. Let's go.
Oh.
Just jug it, and then I'll give you this root beer so you can take the taste
Yeah,
out.
as a chaser. Go. Do it. Do it.
Now he's doing it.
Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. Almost done. It's almost done. Chug. Oh no.
Try. No,
No.
you have to chug it first.
Oh,
You have to
no,
chug
he's
it
good.
first.
Okay.
Gotta
he's
chug
gonna
it
throw up.
first.
He's
Got
gonna
it.
throw up.
Okay, get this. I don't want you to throw up. There we go.
Okay, what was the last one? Lemon juice?
He didn't finish.
No, I think I should finish it for him.
Oh.
Okay.
So
Wait,
bad.
didn't we all get 3 and 4? What was the last one?
Well, it's 2 root beer, remember?
Yeah, 2 root beer, and then a pomegranate juice and what?
Lemon juice.
Oh, I got your favorite.
No, I want lemon.
Lemon juice.
At my old school, I like.
Well, let's go on a new cup.
Yeah, I was about to say I don't want it.
So at our old school, we would always, so after farming work, our teacher would always give us some lemons to eat, and people would make challenges to like try to eat it whole, and people couldn't except for like 5 people.
Okay, drink the whole thing. Ooh, that's so tart. Ooh.
Oh, was it sour?
Sour.
Do it.
Aren't
Good.
limes sour?
Can I have a napkin though?
Sure. So the hardest thing was pomegranate juice for you, huh? Crazy. Alright, he's almost
If you
done.
want to see more videos like this, hit the give us a big thumbs up.
Or give us comments about what you guys want to see us do.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you
Lime.
want lime.
Pomegranate juice is disgusting. I can still taste the pomegranate juice, you know.
Cool, you know. Lime. Pit both in.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I'm watching the camera.
Doesn't give off a lot.
Oh, don't worry.
And some lime in it. And some lime. And lemon.
You want some lemon too?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Might as well use all of it.
The ultimate challenge of Ryder eating both the sour foods as a drink. does Lola like Pong?
Is that how much Rio got?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is exactly the same.
Oh, he just downs it. Oh my gosh.
Got anything else?
Okay, so get over there. Rio. Okay, that's the challenge today. That's
My
our
stomach hurts.
Pong game, Rio Rider Pong game. on
I
Rio
won.
Rider.
Oh, my stomach did not like that.
My stomach did not like that.
All right, anything else? Parting words for them before we go?
Hit the subscribe button and please give us a big thumbs up
And hit the bell to get notifications.
when we post a new video.
Yeah,
Bye.
See you guys later.
Give us comments.
Give us comments of what you want to see next.